Hey, it's Jen, and I just want to talk to you about Guaiacwood oil for just a second. So, that's one that you may have never heard of before, but it is really calming. Now, we have lots of good calming oils like Balance, Serenity, Console, Peace, Lavender, Cedarwood. Guaiacwood is kind of in that same family, kind of a woodsy smell, and you can use it aromatically or topically. So you can put it onto your skin, or you can put it in the diffuser, breathe it from your hands, or breathe it directly from the bottle. Now, it's really going to be calming to your feelings. A lot of people use it when they exercise or they're really just having some quiet time. It's also really good for your skin. So when I use an oil directly on my skin, I like to mix it with a little bit of fractionated coconut oil from doTERRA, or you can use whatever fatty oil or carrier oil you choose. But Guaiacwood is a good option if you're looking for something kind of woodsy scented, more like rustic-y type scent, and you like that wood family of smells, but you're looking for something to calm you, or you're looking for something that is really good for your skin.